Are you looking for generate hundreds of AI videos? Let me introduce you to KlingGen Bulk AI Video Generator, a simple and powerful tool to create videos instantly. First, head over to klinggen.web.app. There, you'll see the Install Now button. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, or just search KlingGen Video Editor on Chrome Web Store. From there, simply click Add to Chrome, and the extension will be installed instantly. After installation, sign up with your Gmail or email account. Once logged in, you can choose between text-to-video or image-to-video modes. KlingGen also includes an AI prompt creator tool that makes your workflow even easier. With it, you can generate prompts by selecting video style, length, prompt count, concept and theme, creativity level. You'll also find some advanced options to fine-tune your results. Let's try an example with text-to-video. I've uploaded a set of pre-generated prompts in bulk to KlingGen. After uploading, all I need to do is click Start Processing. KlingGen feed all prompts and generate all videos automatically. Also, it download all generated videos automatically. Now let's check out the image-to-video option. Just upload the images you want to turn into videos, click Start Processing, and KlingGen will instantly transform them into smooth, interactive videos. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can create unlimited AI-powered videos with KlingGen. The tool link is in the description, so go ahead and install KlingGen AI Video Generator today. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.